Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn with me. In the previous video, we have started the first lesson of class 7th large numbers around us. Today in this video, video 2, we shall continue the concept up to which we have studied the here Roxy and Ishtu found that if they ate one variety of rice a day, they would come nowhere close to a lakh in a lifetime. Here, one conversation is going on between Roxy and Ishtu. What they are talking? They're talking about the one matter, that is, if they ate one variety of rice per day, they would complete 1 lakh variety in a lifetime of some many years. Okay, Roxy suggests that what if we ate two varieties of rice every day, would we then be able to eat 1 lakh varieties of rice in 100 years? Here, Roxy is telling that if they ate two varieties of rice per day, then they able to complete all the 1 lakh varieties in 100 years of lifetime. This question is taking place. So here one question is there: what if a person ate three varieties of rice every day? Will they be able to taste all the lakh varieties in a 100-year lifetime? Find out. Here they are asking the question, that is, if one person ate three varieties of rice for one day, will that person be able to taste all the lakh varieties in a 100-year of lifetime? So this is the meaning of the question. Now we have to find out. So here for here what Isto is telling that we know that how many days there are in a year, that is 365. If we ignore leap years, if we take the leap year means that is 366. If we ignore the leap year means it becomes 365 days. If we live for y years, the number of days in our lifetime will be how much? 365 into y. Now in the first question, we should take the value of y is 100 here, they given, is it? So now what we have to do is 365 into how much? 100. Why? Because in this question they given the number of year of lifetime is 100 year. Then total number of days becomes how much? So for 1 year 365 days. For the 100 years, how many days it become? Let me see. So as usual, 1 5 is 5, 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3, 2 zeros. Then how much it? 36,500. This is total number of days, is it? So 36500. So now what we have to do is, for that number of total days 36500, we should multiply the number, that is 3. Why? Because for one day, three varieties of rice means for this much days we should multiply 3. Okay, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, then 3 5 are how much? 15. Then 1 carry, 3 6 18 plus 1 19, then 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. This is how much? 1,09,500. Means the answer for this question, if a person live for 100-year lifetime, if they eat three varieties rice, three varieties of rice per day, he or she would be ate more than 1 lakh varieties of rice. Okay, this is the solution of this question. So now next question is, here what happens in the next part. See, choose a number for y. How close to 1 lakh is the number of days in y years for the y of your choice? Here they are asking the question. Now we should choose the y value of our choice. Then that value become close to 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh, like this. Now if we choose the value of y the lifetime 90. Okay, now we should find out how many varieties of this becomes. So see now what we should do. First we should multiply 365 with 90 years, the lifetime of 90 years. Then how much it becomes, let me see. Yes, here 365 into 90. In the previous problem we have taken 100 years of lifetime. If the person is live for 90 years of lifetime, if they eat varieties of rice, here also it should take three varieties. Okay na? Yes. Now we should start the multiplication. 9 5 are how much? 45. 4 carry. Okay, 9 6 are 54 plus 4 becomes 58. Then 5 carry. Then 9 3 are 27. 27 plus 5 32. Again keep the 0 here. Now how much it becomes? So once again 9 5 are 45. 4 carry. 9 6 are 54 plus 58. Then 9 3 are how much? 27 plus 5 32. Then 0. This is very less than the 1 lakh, is it? Only 32,850. If a person lived for 90 years, so sorry, this is the number of days, is it? This is the number of days. Why? Because for 1 year 365 days, for the 90 years the total number of days how much? 32,850. Now if per day a person ate three varieties, then how much it becomes? Let me see. 3 0 are 0, 3 5 are 15, 1 carry, 3 8 are 24 plus 1 25, again 2 carry, 3 2 are 6 plus 2 8, 3 3 are 9. Yes. Then if a person lived for 90 years, if they ate three varieties per day, then he has capacity to complete 98,550 varieties of rice. It is the nearest 1 lakh. Okay, like this you have to take the number of years, that is the value of y of your choice, and then you have to find out. So if we get the nearest value to the 1 lakh or not. Okay, now you also check or test this question of your own choice by taking the value of y of lifetime 91, then 88, like this. But here I chosen how much? 90 years. Then also it is very less. Yes, sir. You should take more than that, 91, 93, like this. Okay, yes. Next, figure it out means here we can discuss some problems. First I will read the question. According to the 2011 census, the population of the town of Chintamani was about 75,000. How much less than 1 lakh is 75,000? Here the meaning of the question is, the census of 2011, the population of the town was how much? 75,000. So here they are asking the question, how much 75,000 is less than the 1 lakh? Is it? So we should find out. So for this, what we should do? Just we subtract 75,000 from 1 lakh. Is it? So how much it becomes? You know the answer already. So 0, 0, then also 0. So 10 minus 5 becomes 5. Then 9 minus 7 becomes 2. That is 25,000. Its meaning is 1 lakh is more than, how much more than? 25,000 more than 75,000. And 75,000 is how much less than the 1 lakh? 25,000 less than the 1 lakh. Okay, in the both ways also we should tell the answer. Okay, yes, the answer for the first question is how much? That is for this 25,000. Means in the 2011 census how much it was? 75. So after that, what is the value of 75,000? If you subtract it from the 1 lakh, we got the answer here, 25,000. Yes. Second is, The estimated population of Chintamani in the year 2024 is 1,06,000. How much more than 1 lakh is 1,06,000? Here they are asking the estimated means the nearest population of Chintamani in the year 2024 is how much? 1,06,000. So they are asking the question, how much 1,06,000 is more than 1 lakh? Here also we should do the subtraction. First we should take the greatest value, that is 1,06,000. We should subtract 1 lakh from this. Absolutely correct. So how much we should get here? That is 6,000. Okay, if you subtract 1 lakh from 1,06,000, the answer is how much? That is 6,000. The answer for the second question is 6,000. The second also over, first also over. Then third, by how much did the population of Chintamani increase from 2011 to 2024? So now first we should write the population of Chintamani in 2011. So how much it was? 75,000. So in 2024 how much? Here in the second question only they given, that is how much? 1,06,000, is it? So now we should find out. First we should write 1,06,000. Then in the next year how much is 75,000? Yes, should subtract now. 0, 0, 0. So 6 minus 5 becomes 1. Then 10 minus 7 becomes 3. 31,000. Yes, there is a 31,000 population is increased in the town of Chintamani. So the answer for the third question is how much? That is 31,000. Okay viewers, in the next class we should discuss about the next concept, that is getting a feel of large numbers. This is very lengthy lesson is there. Okay, large numbers around us. So that's why we have to discuss part by part. Okay, concept by concept. Then it is very easy to clear the concept easily. That's why. Okay viewers, if you like my videos, then that's why if you like my videos, please keep watching my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.